channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do summer glowy skin nice and quick and easy. Currently today in Manchester it is 30 degrees, so we want a quick and easy makeup to like make yourself look nice and glowy and put together, but not something that takes forever to do because you just want to get out there in the sun enjoying it. So that is exactly what we're gonna do. So enough talking, enough of this intro, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and do my brows off camera. If you want to see an eyebrow tutorial, let me know. So then we're going in with the Pixie Milky Hydrating Lotion. This is my absolute favourite moisturiser for the face. We just rub that in and let that settle into the skin. Moisturise always. Before applying your makeup for the best base, just let that sink in. Next, we use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I put this in my T-zone, anywhere where I have a bit more pores showing or where makeup sinks into my lines a bit more. I find this really helps, and it really helps create that flawless base. Next, we move on to foundation. My favourite cheap foundation is L'Oreal True Match. I use the shade Vanilla and I use a fluffy brush just to buff that all into my skin. This has got really good coverage for a £10 foundation, and it's got a really nice glow. Don't forget to blend it into your neck. Now we're moving on to adding a bit of a bronze glow. I use the Revolution Matte Base Concealer in the shade C12 to do this. I just blend that in with the same fluffy brush I used for my foundation. This isn't to contour, this is just kind of add a bit more of a bronze glow. And next, moving on to my concealer, I'm using the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in Extra Fair and blending that out with a little fluffy brush. I find you get really good coverage with a brush just as a sponge. Then I am moving on to my powder. I'm using the Revolution Loose Translucent Setting Powder and just putting that in the areas where it needs to be set for the day. Then we're going to bronze this baby up with the Makeup Revolution Bronzer Reloaded in Take a Vacation, and I'm running that on my nose to contour, and then I'm just going all over my face with that. I love this bronzer. We're then going in with the Reloaded Highlighter in Make an Impact over the same place we've just put the bronzer. Then we are spritzing it all with the MAC Fix Plus, which I'd just like to press in with a sponge afterwards. I'm going in with the Be Perfect and Mama Mitchell Subzero Highlight Palette to add that glow not only over the face but on the body, the collarbones also. I'm then using the darker bronze shade out of the palette, and I'm going to be actually putting that on my eyes for a really glowy bronzed eye look. I'm then just adding a waterproof mascara because you need it in this heat, and finish it off by doing my lips, and we are done. Okay guys, so this was it, my quick and easy glowy skin tutorial. I hope that helped some people out on really cheap ways to make your skin look beautiful, ready to go out in the sun. I will link some of the items that I used down below in the description box, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up if you did, and a comment down below suggesting any other video ideas that you want to see from me. Don't forget to check out my Instagram as always, which is just Beth Crawshaw _, and my TikTok, which is Beth Crawshaw, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!